In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Jira. To get started, open Jira software and sign in with your Atlassian account. Once you're logged in, you'll be taken into the main workspace, where you can manage projects, tasks, and team progress. Jira is commonly used for tracking work, especially in product development and operations teams, so understanding the basic flow will make everything much easier. Next, go to the Project section from the top navigation bar. Here, you can either create a new project or open an existing one if you've already been invited to it. If you're creating a project, Jira will ask you to choose a template. Common options include Scrum, Kanban, or task tracking. The template you choose affects how the work is displayed and managed, so pick the one that best matches your team's workflow. Once your project is ready, create an issue by clicking the Create button. In Jira, an issue is any piece of work you want to track. You'll choose an issue type, such as task, story, bug, or epic, depending on what kind of work it is. Then enter a clear summary and description so anyone viewing the issue understands what needs to be done. If needed, assign the issue to a team member and then click Create to add it to the project. After that, open your project board to organize the work. This is where you can move issues through columns like To Do, In Progress, and Done as the work advances. Keeping the board updated helps everyone quickly understand what's started, what's blocked, and what's finished. You can also update issue details like due dates, priorities, or labels whenever necessary to keep everything accurate. To find work more efficiently, use filters or the search bar. You can search for issues by project, assignee, status, priority, or other criteria. If there are searches you use often, save them so you can return to them quickly later without repeating the same setup. To track progress, open the board or the backlog to review ongoing work. Dashboards are also useful because they let you monitor project status using charts and reports. Make a habit of reviewing both completed and outstanding issues regularly so nothing gets overlooked. For collaboration, add comments directly to issues, mention teammates using the @ symbol and their username, and attach files, screenshots, or documents when extra context is helpful. This keeps communication tied to the work itself. When a task is finished, move the issue to the Done column or update its status to Done or Closed, depending on your workflow. And if you want to go further, you can customize your workspace by creating dashboards and adjusting notifications, automation rules, and board settings to better match your team's process.